Hi everyone, it's Joy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel to meet the next Zodiac, the Princess Amigurumi. This is Aries. Aries is the third doll inside my series Zodiac Princess Crochet Amigurumi pattern. You can find all the other pattern inside the crochet heart, the membership program, or you can buy the pattern for all the single pieces in all my shop websites, ABBREVIATION.com, Reveille, or Etsy. Aries is the perfect gift for whoever born in the Aries sign, or for the baby who will be born in the Aries sign. My daughter loves Aries a lot. That's the not only Aries on the Amigurumi doll, and she's hug them every night when she sleeps. I hope you will enjoy my pattern and my princess as much as we do. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated. Now let's see how to dress for Aries. This is the lovely dress with the button behind, but absolutely no shoe. You have to sew a small star to the dress, but if you don't want to sew, just tie it on. And super easy to take on and take off. I think it's the great idea for your little girl who play baby doll with all the Zodiac princess.